Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a really useful trick for anyone using a Windows 11 PC. How to force stop or force quit apps that are frozen, unresponsive, or simply won't close the normal way. We've all been there. Maybe a program hangs while you're working, or a game just freezes on the screen. The regular close button doesn't work, and everything feels stuck. But don't worry, there are several ways to force stop an app on Windows 11. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it using different methods. Let's get right into it. The most common way to force close an app is by using Task Manager, a built-in Windows tool that lets you view and manage running apps and background processes. To open Task Manager, you can right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, you'll see a list of all your currently running apps. Here's what to do next. Click the Processes tab if you're not already there. Look through the list and find the app that's giving you trouble. Click on the app to highlight it. Then click the End Task button in the bottom right corner. This will immediately force the app to close, even if it's frozen or unresponsive. This is the most reliable method and works for most apps, whether it's a browser, a media player, or a game. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more useful tech tips and tricks. Have any questions? Or is there another Windows problem you're dealing with? Drop it in the comments. We read them all, and we're here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.